So at Nokia, design everything really starts with people. That's where we start all our brainstorming design activities from. So trying to understand who we design these products for, what does their life look like, and what needs and behaviors can we see with them. And then based on that information, we then try to brainstorm and find ways of making something that reflects their needs and desires.
So in the case of 6600-fold, our target was to create a product that would be both beautiful in closed and in open mode. And that was what turned out to be really the biggest challenge in the end.
I think a lot of fold products sometimes had a tendency of becoming a little bit overly technical and complex products that you have. They resolve a lot of things, so it's a very practical solution, but perhaps sometimes you feel there's a lot of there's hinges, there's buttons, there's displays everywhere, and I think what we really wanted to do was also find a way of simplifying that and streamlining it a little bit and maybe make it a little bit more human. We really tried to look at the two modes separately, what we called like the nomadic state when the product is closed, what kind of interactions you're looking for then. Maybe you're more interested in just seeing, do I have a missed call, do I have a text, or what time is it, rather than maybe making very sophisticated navigations in a UI. So we wanted to keep that a bit more, as you said, just a continuous surface and maybe have a more of a emotive quality to it and a bit more of magic, so you can interact with just gestures and tappings. And if it's difficult to get the lines and all the surfaces to meet just as a design object, it gets even more difficult when you should have components inside and make the whole construction work at the same time. So that was a tough one.
Yeah, exactly. So it's really collaborative effort. And we need a mechanics team, and we need marketing, and we need software, and we need, of course, the design as well. And it's really all these different parts need to function well together in order to end up with this kind of end result, what we have in our hands. What really inspired me in this particular case with the 6600-fold was of course I get inspired by people in my work, and also get inspired of contemporary architecture and this overall simplicity of products.